If you ever have any problem with the IRS, Dan's books are the place to start. They're easy to understand, and they work. They're well worth the cost. It's my pleasure to welcome Dan Pullen.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman and members of the delegation and the observers to the Taxpayers Party Convention. I thank you very much for your attendance and your attention here this morning. I'd like to talk to you about the Internal Revenue Service, everybody's favorite subject. We all know that we are commanded by Scripture to render unto Caesar the things that are Caesar's. But let's not lose sight of the fact, ladies and gentlemen, that Caesar was a criminal and a thug. So we want to keep all of this in perspective. My background and experience in dealing with the Internal Revenue Service is quite lengthy. I've spent the last 20 years of my life as a tax litigation consultant working specifically in the areas of IRS abuse prevention, problems resolution, and taxpayers' rights issues. I've been involved in every kind of tax case you can imagine, and I've seen a few that you probably couldn't imagine. In connection with my experience in this area, I have come to the conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, that the IRS regularly uses tactics of bluff and intimidation, misinformation and disinformation, and in many cases outright lies to the American people concerning what their rights are and what their limitations are.